Hey all, this is John with Reviews, and I've got these letting far rain guards. These are glue on, or stick-on rain guards, not in-channel rain guards. But I just wanted to show you that they went on relatively well, actually pretty well. The 2022 Kia Soul. They look pretty nice. They don't exactly match the matte trim, but they do match the high gloss black paint. The only thing that I did notice is this gap that they left. And you kind of have to leave that gap. You can't move them up. But actually, it's kind of better because it gives you more rain guard, more room to open up your windows on your car. They're pretty easy to install. Just some lines of tape that go, 3M tape that go along the outside here. And if you follow the instructions on the Amazon page, you should have no problem installing these. I will make one notice that I also did get these Tapsi primer adhesion promoters, and that's going to help extend the length of the bondage. So if you guys need some of these, I can suggest them. They look really nice. They stuck on really well. I mean, first time, they're not going anywhere. Thanks all.